Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can translate your video into English or any other language. It's a very simple process. We're going to do it with the help of AI. First, you see the difference.
Hey everyone, if you have a super long PDF to read and you don't want to, then I have a free AI suggestions to help you get a summary of this big PDF. Hey, wenn ihr ein langes PDF habt und nicht lesen wollt, dann habe ich einen kostenlosen KI-Tipp, der euch eine Zusammenfassung dieses großen PDFs bietet. Denkt daran.
Now you saw the difference and how you can make it. Let's get in. So first we have to come over our browser. You can choose any of your preferable browser and then come over into the search option and search for rask.ai. And if you click enter, you will going to come over into rask.ai, and from here you can simply click on try it free. And if you now click on for the sign up with Google, if you click on it, you need to select your account, click continue. And if you want to stay updated with latest features, so I don't want it to, so click no. And now here we are in rask.ai dashboard, and here we need to click on this upload video. Click on it and then we're going to select the video from the desktop. So I'm going to select the video and then I'm going to translate it into German. You can see there are lots of options to clone with: Ukraine, Turkish, Indian, Tamil, and Indonesian, Canadian, Chinese also. So here we're going to only select German. Also you can select Spanish or French, any of your preferable one. Click on German and then select on translate, and as you can see the file is uploading. After complete the upload, you can see that it's transcripting our video. So it will take maybe 1 or 2 minutes, depends on your internet speed. So now I will going to fast forward the video. After complete, you can see there will be some demos to show you what the sections means. So here we will not going to do advanced techniques. As you can see, the file has been translated. Now if I just play.
Hallo, wenn ihr ein langes PDF habt und nicht lesen.
You can hear that it's translated into German. And now what we need to just download this video. For that we can simply click on the download, and here quite of options. So for that I'm going to click on translate videos, because for other options there should need to upgrade the plan. So for that I'm going to click translated video, and there will be shows the plan. We're going to skip it and click on download. Going to minimize everything. After complete the download, we're going to click on the folder icon and going to
Hallo, wenn ihr ein langes PDF habt und nicht lesen wollt, dann habe ich einen kostenlosen KI-Vorschlag.
You can hear it's completely translated into German. You can simply select any of your preferable languages with this simple method. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. If you need or if you want this kind of video more, then comment below. So see you with another problem solution. Till then, goodbye.